disobeyed God,
ko mushisha kuyagomire ruhanga,
the Spirit of the Lord was taken away from him.
omwoyo wa Mukama yamwiwaho,
He became spiritually dead.
yahinduka mufire oby'omwoyo.
This is why God told him,
yoshonga bw'ekiranga yamugambire,
the day you eat the fruit, you will die.
akamugira tenzobe ryo ry'ekijuma oryafa.
And Satan told him,
haza Satani akamugira,
God lied to you.
raga kababiha,
When you eat the fruit, you will not.
tora ry'ekijuma torafe.
They died spiritually.
Bakafa omu mwoyo.
The Spirit of the Lord was taken away from them.
Omwoyo wa Mukama akabihwaho.
They lost the image of God.
Bakiwaho ekensha ya ruhanga.
Losing the image of God,
okwiwaho ensha ya
the
ruhanga,
Spirit of the Lord running away from you,
omwoyo wa Mukama okukwiruka
you
kakwihaho,
lose his kingdom.
noba waferwa obukama bwe.
They now lost Garden of Eden.
Hati bakaferwa ekibanja Eden.
Look at King Saul.
Rebera mugabe Saulo,
When he disobeyed God,
yagomire ruhanga,
the first thing God did,
ekyo kubanza kiranga yakozire,
he took away his spirit from him.
akakwata omwoyo we yamumwihaho,
And an evil spirit came upon him.
rero omwoyo mubi yamwijaho.
Saul lost the kingdom.
Saulo yiwaho yaferwa obugabe.
And the Spirit of God went to David.
Rero omwoyo wa Mukama yazare Dawudi.
David took the kingdom.
Dawudi yatwara obugabe,
The Holy Spirit.
omwoyo orikwera.
Luke chapter 4,
Luka eshura ya 4
verse 18 up to 19.
ogw'ikuminana na n'ogw'ikuminamwenda.
Let us look at the work of the Holy Spirit.
Leka
when he is upon him.
turebe aha murimo gw'omwoyo orikwera yaba ryahariyo.
This Holy Spirit, the Spirit of God,
Ogw'omwoyo orikwera, omwoyo wa ruhanga,
he is not only of Adam or Moses or Jesus or Reuben.
tiwa Adamu wenka ninga nguno wa Musa ninga nowa Yesu ninga nguno wa Reuben.
You too, you need this.
Na niwe noyetenga omwoyo wa Mukama.
It is the only sign that indicates that God is with you.
Niko kamanyiso konka akarikwereka ngo ruhanga ari hamwe niwe.
It is the only mark that indicates you are a child of
Niko
God.
kamanyiso konka akarikwereka ngo uryo mwana wa
It
ruhanga.
is the only mark that indicates that you are a heir with Jesus
Niko
Christ.
kamanyiso konka akarikwereka ngo uryo buhunguzi na Yesu Kristo.
You have inheritance here
No buhunguzi aha
and in the future.
kandi na nyensa.
You were not created just to pass on earth.
Torahanjirwe ngo umaragara b'umunsi.
No. You would have remained where you were before you were in your mother's
Okaba
womb.
no basa kuguma ahi wabiroro takakiri mu nda ya nyoko.
God does everything with a purpose.
Rangana akora